we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Breville Oracle Touch and the Philips 4400 LatteGo.
Yep, both from Amazon renewed, so supposedly inspected and tested. Let's dive in. First impressions? The Breville is a beast, 37 pounds. And the Philips is... we don't have the weight. Bummer.
True, but the Breville's dimensions are listed. It's pretty big at 14.7x, 14.5x, 17.6 inches. Might be a counter space hog.
Good point. Okay, features-wise, the Breville seems heavily focused on mimicking a professional barista setup. It's got a dual boiler for simultaneous extraction and steaming, which is pretty serious.
Yeah, and it automatically grinds, doses, and tamps, allegedly using 22 grams of coffee. That's a lot. Plus, customizable milk texturing. Sounds fancy.
The Philips, on the other hand, is pushing ease of use. 12 hot and asterisk iced 20Cs. That's cool. And the LatteGo milk system is supposed to be super easy to clean, only 2 parts.
I saw that. Cleaned in less than 10 seconds. That's a huge selling point for someone who hates cleaning milk frothers. The Breville has a self-cleaning wand, but still.
Right? And the Philips has a ceramic grinder with 12 grind settings, which is nice. The Breville has a conical burr grinder. Tough to say which is better without testing.
Yeah, both seem to prioritize quality grinding. The Breville boasts about optimal water pressure and precise temperature control for balanced espresso. The Philips has something called aroma extract that optimizes brewing temperature and flow rate. Sounds similar.
So what's the catch? The Breville only has a 2.5-star rating with only 2 ratings, and 1 review is terrible. Someone got gym weights instead of a coffee machine. Yikes. The Philips has 5 stars but only 1 rating.
Okay, that's a huge red flag for the Breville. Even renewed, that's concerning. The Philips being newer, November 2024 versus March 2021 for the Breville, might explain the lower rating count, but still.
True, and the Breville is currently unavailable. The Philips is unavailable too, but at least there's an alternative seller listed at $799.
Alright, based purely on the specs and doubtful Breville review, I'd lean towards the Philips, assuming you can find it in stock and trust the seller. The easy cleaning and iced coffee option are tempting. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.